Before time, change, or motion, there was being. In an age where thinkers sought to explain the world through transformation and flux, one voice stood alone, radical and unmoved. Parmenides of Elea dared to claim, what truly is cannot change. With this single, audacious idea, he set the foundation of Western metaphysics. Hello and welcome to Philosophy in 5. I am Chichon, PhD in Philosophy, and in this episode we will uncover the thought of Parmenides, the thinker who challenged the very idea of becoming and gave us a vision of reality grounded not in appearance but in pure reason. Parmenides lived around the late 6th to early 5th century BC in Elea, a Greek colony in what is now southern Italy. He is considered the founder of the Eleatic school and may have taught Zeno of Elea, whose paradoxes remain famous to this day. Unlike his predecessors in Miletus, who searched for the material origin of the cosmos, Parmenides asked a deeper question: what does it mean to be at all? Parmenides expressed his philosophy not in treatises, but in a hexameter poem titled, in Greek, Periphyseos, or On Nature. The poem opens with a mystical scene. The narrator is taken in a chariot from the world of mortals to the realm of a goddess, who reveals two paths. One, the way of truth, in Greek aletheia, what is, unchanging and real. And two, the way of opinion, in Greek doxa, what seems to be deceptive and false. In the way of truth, the goddess teaches that being is, and non-being is not. This might sound simple, but its consequences are staggering. If non-being cannot be thought or spoken of, then nothing can come from non-being. Therefore, nothing can be born, nothing can perish, and nothing can change. Change implies something ceasing to be and something else beginning to be, both impossible if we follow pure logic. For Parmenides, reality, or in Greek, to eon, what is uncreated, indestructible, unchanging, indivisible, complete, and one. To most people, the world appears full of change. We see birth, death, movement, transformation. But for Parmenides, this is mere illusion, the way of mortals who trust their senses instead of reason. True knowledge comes not from seeing, hearing or touching, but from rational thought alone. This marks a dramatic break with the Milesian school. Thales believed everything came from water, Anaximander posited the apeiron, the boundless, Anaximenes said it was air. All three sought to explain change and diversity through a material principle, but Parmenides denies the very reality of change. His being is not made of anything, it simply is. Even Heraclitus, who claimed that everything flows, stands in stark contrast. Parmenides responds in essence, nothing flows at all. Parmenides is often called the father of metaphysics. He didn't just offer a theory, he changed the rules of philosophical inquiry. With Parmenides, being becomes the central concern of philosophy. He also made rational thought the supreme tool for accessing truth, an approach that deeply influenced Plato and through him, the entire rationalist tradition. From this point forward, philosophy is not merely a reflection on nature, it's a rigorous investigation into what is, guided by the mind, not the senses. In 5 short minutes, we've entered one of the deepest mysteries of philosophy. What if change is a lie and only being remains? Parmenides invites us to stand still, and in that stillness, to think. Join us next time as we explore the brilliant paradoxes of his student, Zeno of Elea, and the philosophy of the infinite. And that was Philosophy in 5. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do check the rest of the content on this series and the channel, subscribe, share it with your friends, give it a like, and next time, Zeno of Elea. Until then, keep thinking.